Hi guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video on the MCQs of Tissues chapter for class 9 biology. Let's get started with the MCQs of this chapters. Guys, today we'll be doing standalone MCQs, assertion and reasoning and case study question. Okay, so this will definitely help you in your term 1 exams. Let's get started with the first MCQ. Here is the first one. Dash tissues have dead cells: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, or epithelial tissue. Guys, the right answer is B. Sclerenchyma has dead cells. Of stem increases due to which meristem? Lateral meristem. Girth of stem increases due to lateral meristem. Third one. Meristematic tissues in plant are localized and permanent, not limited to certain regions, localized in dividing cells, growing in volume. The right answer is option number C. They are localized and dividing cells. Voluntary muscles are found in. Guys, where are the voluntary muscles found? Voluntary muscles are found in the limbs. Here is the fifth one. Nerve cell does not contain axon, nerve endings, tendons, dendrites. The right answer is nerve cell does not contain tendon. The right answer is option C. The dead element present in phloem is companion cells, phloem fibers, phloem parenchyma, or sieve tubes. The right answer is phloem fibers. The dead element present in phloem is phloem. Flexibility in plants is due to collenchyma, parenchyma, chlorenchyma, or sclerenchyma. The right answer is flexibility in plant is due to collenchyma. The water conducting tissue generally present in gymnosperm is vessels, sieve tube, tracheids, or xylem fibers. The water conducting tissue present in gymnosperms is, the right answer is tracheids. The right answer is tracheids. Please name this epithelial tissue. This is a picture-based question which can also come in your exams. Name this epithelial tissue. Is this a simple columnar epithelial? Is this a simple cuboidal epithelial? Is this a stratified squamous epithelial tissue, or none of these? You are having 5 seconds to do this. Okay, the time's up, and the right answer to this one is, this is the diagram of simple cuboidal epithelium. So here is one, match the column. Meristematic tissues, nervous tissue, epidermal tissue. This is column A, this is column B. Outer surface of plants conduct message, divide separately. Here are the codes. The first code is first A, second C, third B. B is first C, second B, third A. Option number C is first C, second A, and third B. Then D1 is first A, second C, third B. The right answer is option number B, first C. Meristematic tissue divides rapidly. Yes, they do. Nervous tissue conduct messages. Yes. Epidermal tissue is the outer surface of plants. So the right answer is 1C, 2B, 3A, which is option number B. The muscular tissue which functions throughout the life continuously is skeletal tissue, cardiac tissue, smooth tissue, voluntary tissue. The right answer is cardiac tissue. The nodes of Fraynfeld are found in nerve cell, liver cells, or heart cells. It's found in liver cells. The connective tissue that connects muscle to the bone is ligament, tendon, nervous tissue, all of the above. The connective tissue that connects muscle to the bone is, the right answer is tendon. Here is the 14th one. A tissue whose cells are capable of dividing and redividing is called complex tissue, connective tissue, permanent tissue, or meristematic tissue. The right answer to this question is meristematic tissue. 15th one. The size of stem increases in width due to presence of which meristem? Lateral meristem. Which of the following is also known as packaging tissue? Adipose tissue, areolar tissue, ligaments or bones? The right answer is areolar tissue. Areolar tissue is also known as packaging tissue. Which of the following muscles act as involuntary? Cardiac and skeletal, cardiac and smooth, skeletal and smooth, only smooth. You are having 10 seconds to do this one. Alright guys, let's see the right answer to this one. And the right answer to this one is option number B. That is cardiac and smooth. Moving on to the next one. Straighted muscles are found in gallbladder, wall of bronchi, skeletal muscles, lungs. The right answer is straighted muscles are found in skeletal muscles. On to the 19th one. A person met with an accident. Guys, this is an important high order thinking skill based question. So this might come in your exam. A person met with an accident in which two bones of the hands were dislocated. Alright. Which among the following may be the possible reason? Tendon break, ligament, areolar tissue break. The right answer is ligament break. Alright. The muscle tissue which functions, guys, I don't know why it is written like this. Which functions throughout life continuously without fatigue is cardiac muscle, voluntary muscle, skeletal muscle or smooth muscle. Cardiac muscle, voluntary muscle, skeletal muscle or smooth muscle. The right answer is cardiac muscle. Name this epithelial tissue. Guys, again, name this epithelial tissue. Simpler columnar, simple cuboidal, stratified squamous or none of these. This is a stratified squamous epithelial tissue. Which of the following is a function of sieve tube? To translocate organic food, to translocate water and minerals, sieve the passing substance, to eliminate water from organic food. The right answer is to translocate organic food. Alright guys, we are done with simple MCQs. Now let's do assertion and reasoning type MCQs. I hope by now you all know the directions for assertion and reasoning MCQs. Option A होता है both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. A is true, R is false. A is false, R is true. First one. Assertion. Permanent tissue is composed of mature cells. Reason. Meristematic tissue is a group of activity dividing cells. Is both the statements are individually true, right? They are individually true. But is reason the correct explanation of the assertion? No, it is not. So option number B will be the right answer, which is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Moving on to the next one. The inner lining of intestine has tall epithelial cells. Columnar epithelium facilitates absorption and secretion. Both the statements are true, right? And reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Option A will be the right answer over here. Meristematic tissues constitute the major portion of the plant body. Reason. Meristematic tissue consists of differentiated cells. Again, guys, here the assertion is false. Assertion is false and the reason is true. Assertion is false, reason is true. The option is option number D. Lateral meristem adds thickness of plants. Lateral meristem divides only in one plane. Yes. Both the statements are true and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. A. Next one. Last one. Vessels and sieve tubes both are meant. So sorry, it's written twice. Are meant for transparent purposes. Reason. Vessels are lignified. Option number B is the right answer. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Let's move on to case studies now. Let's get started. Connective tissues are the tissues that help to bind or connect other tissues in the body. They have widely spaced cells embedded in a matrix having a variety of proteins, polysaccharides, and mineral salts. This is the case. Let's do now questions. Here is the question number 1. Which is not a connective tissue among the following? Which is not? Blood, tendon, and ligament all are connective tissues, but epithelium is not a connective tissue. Next, the tissue that helps to bind or connect other tissues in the body are epithelial, muscle, connective, or nervous. The right answer is connective tissue. It is written in the second line of the paragraph. Alright guys, we are done with the MCQs of the chapter tissues, and with this video we are done with the MCQs of biology. We have done MCQs of chemistry, and now we'll be doing for physics and maths. Okay, you'll be getting all the MCQs for term 1 for class 9 for science and maths by the end of this month. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yes guys, you will be getting the PDF. You will be getting PDF of this MCQs in my Telegram channel. So make sure you're joining my Telegram channel. The link is tinyurl.com/professionchat. And thank you so much for coming. And guys, we are so close to 150 subscribers. Let's do 150 subscribers as soon as possible, and I will bring a surprise video for all of you. Like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and comment down how did you find the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Bye bye.